This recipe was inspired by you because I know you love banana bread and you love cardamom. We're making my absolute favorite breakfast fuel, banana bread superhero muffins. There are so many flavor combinations for superhero muffins, and this one is inspired by Jessie's love of banana bread. Ideally, you want to use really ripe brown speckled bananas. The riper the better. The sweeter it's going to be, the more starches and sweetness. These are a little underripe, but we'll make it work. These banana bread superhero muffins are energizing and easy to digest, wholesome and delicious, and feature the ideal balance of carbs, healthy fats, and protein to fuel your morning workout. They're also high in micronutrients, including minerals and electrolytes. All right, now we're gonna add our spice blend. I pre-measured the cinnamon, the cardamom, the baking soda, and the sea salt, so we've got that all ready to go. Pro tip, use the one bowl method to save time in dishes. Blend your wet ingredients first and then add dry ingredients. So good.
That is so good.